Have you ever felt like no matter how hard you work, true abundance just seems out of reach? It's a feeling many of us can relate to, working long hours, striving for success, yet still not experiencing the wealth and happiness we desire. What if I told you that the secret to unlocking this abundance doesn't lie in working harder or chasing money, but in understanding and aligning with the deeper laws of prosperity? The 7 laws of abundance in the Metaphysics of Money offer profound insights into how wealth truly works. They go beyond the traditional view of money as simply a tool for exchange. These laws reveal that abundance is more than just financial. It's a mindset, a state of being, and a conscious practice that can transform your entire reality. When you grasp these laws, you begin to understand that money is not the source of happiness. It's how you align your intentions, actions, and mindset with the natural flow of abundance. Imagine a life where opportunities, success, and wealth flow effortlessly toward you. It's not a dream, it's a possibility, and it starts with understanding these 7 transformative laws. Ready to dive in? Let's explore how you can harness the true power of abundance. The infinite nature of abundance teaches us that prosperity is not a finite resource, but an ever-expanding, boundless source that flows through the universe. In this abundant reality, there is no shortage, only a constant and ever-present supply of opportunities, resources, and possibilities waiting to be accessed by those who are open to receiving them. The universe, in its infinite wisdom, offers us a never-ending flow of abundance, and it is our mindset and beliefs that determine how much we tap into it. When we embrace the understanding that abundance is limitless, we release the fear of scarcity. Scarcity is often a product of limiting beliefs, and when we let go of those restrictions, we unlock our true potential to receive. Whether it's wealth, love, health, or success, there is an abundance of these things available to us. The key lies in our willingness to believe that the universe is not withholding from us, but instead offering a continuous stream of opportunities. This mindset shift allows us to view the world as a place full of potential. It encourages us to trust that no matter where we are in life, there is always more to come. Whether it's material wealth, personal growth, or fulfilling relationships, abundance is all around us. By aligning ourselves with this truth, we invite prosperity into our lives, knowing that we are never limited by what's available, but only by what we believe is possible. The power of generosity is a fundamental principle that shapes the flow of abundance in our lives. The act of giving is not just a selfless gesture, it is a powerful force that sets the stage for receiving. Whether we are seeking attention, love, or material wealth, we must first be willing to give. This is not about giving with an expectation of receiving something in return, but about giving from the heart, with pure intent. When we give without expecting anything back, we align ourselves with the natural flow of abundance. This opens the door for the universe to respond in kind. Generosity is a magnetic force that attracts more of what we need, because it signals that we are in a state of abundance rather than scarcity. By giving, we affirm that there is enough to go around and that we are willing to share what we have with others. This shift in mindset is what draws more blessings into our lives. Generosity doesn't always have to be material. It can also be in the form of time, attention, kindness, or love. When we give these freely, we strengthen our connection with others and create a space for the universe to provide. The more we give, the more we create a cycle of abundance that keeps flowing back to us, often in ways we didn't expect. By embracing generosity, we open ourselves to receive all that we deserve, knowing that the act of giving is the first step toward receiving. Money is often misunderstood as just a commodity or a mere tool for purchasing goods and services. However, at its core, money is a medium of exchange that represents the value you contribute to the world. It is a reflection of the energy, skill, time, and resources you invest in, offering something valuable to others. The more value you create, the more money you can earn in return, as it serves as a recognition of the worth you bring into the marketplace. Wealth doesn't simply come from accumulating money for the sake of it. It accumulates when you actively provide value to others. Whether you're selling a product, offering a service, or sharing your expertise, the financial flow is driven by the value you contribute. Money flows in exchange for what you've given, and as it circulates, it creates a dynamic process of giving and receiving. This exchange is not just transactional. It's an energetic exchange where both parties benefit and grow. Recognizing money as a representation of value allows you to shift your perspective on wealth. Instead of focusing solely on the accumulation of money, you begin to focus on how you can increase the value you offer to the world. The more you focus on enhancing the value you create, the more financial opportunities come your way. This understanding deepens your connection with abundance, allowing you to attract wealth through the constant flow of energy, creativity, and value exchange. Wealth is not merely the accumulation of material possessions. It is deeply rooted in your consciousness and mindset. The way you perceive and think about money, abundance, and opportunities shapes your ability to attract and generate wealth. Your thoughts, beliefs, and attitudes about wealth are the driving forces behind the prosperity you experience. When you shift your mindset to one of abundance, you align yourself with the flow of wealth that is already available to you. Consciousness of wealth goes beyond simply desiring material goods. It involves understanding that wealth is a state of mind. How you think about money directly influences your actions and your ability to create opportunities. If you believe that there is enough wealth to go around, you will act in ways that attract more wealth into your life. Conversely, if you focus on scarcity and limitations, you block the flow of abundance. The key is to cultivate a mindset of abundance, where you believe that wealth is not a finite resource, but a continuous and infinite supply. This mental shift allows you to see opportunities where others might see obstacles and encourages you to take inspired action toward your goals. When you change your thoughts and beliefs, you change your reality. Wealth is not something you wait for. It's something you consciously create through the power of your thoughts, perceptions, and actions. By embracing a wealth-conscious mindset, you invite prosperity to flow freely into your life. The law of focused intent highlights the profound power of your thoughts and attention in shaping your reality. What you focus on becomes your reality because your thoughts direct your energy toward specific outcomes. The more intentional and focused your thoughts are, the more they influence the world around you, guiding you toward the results you desire. This principle underscores the importance of being clear about what you want and aligning your energy with that intention. When you focus on your true desires rather than distractions or limitations, you activate the flow of abundance in your life. Attention is a powerful force. It magnifies the energy you give to your goals and aspirations. By consistently directing your thoughts and attention to what you truly want, whether it's success, happiness, wealth, or personal growth, you create a powerful magnetic pull that attracts the opportunities and resources needed to bring those desires into reality. Focused intent requires clarity. It means being unwavering in your focus, not allowing doubts, distractions, or negativity to take away from the path you are carving. It also involves aligning your actions with your thoughts, ensuring that you are consistently working toward your goals. When you align your mind, body, and actions with your desires, you unlock infinite possibilities. This alignment with your true intentions opens doors to abundance, prosperity, and opportunities you might have never imagined. Focused intent is the key to transforming your dreams into reality, one thought at a time. Releasing attachment is one of the most powerful ways to unlock the flow of abundance in your life. The moment you let go of the need to control every aspect of your journey, you create space for greater possibilities and opportunities to enter. Attachment, particularly to specific outcomes, often acts as a barrier to abundance. It keeps you tightly holding onto expectations and creates resistance when things don't unfold the way you envisioned. This resistance can block the natural flow of prosperity and keep you stuck in a cycle of lack. When you release attachment, you shift from a mindset of scarcity to one of trust and openness. Trusting the process means you allow life to unfold naturally, knowing that everything happens for a reason and that the universe will provide what is meant for you. It's a surrender of control, not a lack of ambition or desire for success, but an understanding that the best outcomes are not always the ones you expect. Letting go opens you up to infinite possibilities, allowing you to align with the flow of abundance without the heavy burden of expectation. The universe can only respond to you when you release the need to dictate every result. By embracing this surrender, you invite greater wealth, joy, and opportunities into your life. Abundance flows freely when you stop clinging to a rigid vision and instead trust that the process will bring exactly what you need at the right time. Wealth is often viewed as an end goal, but its true purpose lies in its ability to enhance lives, create joy, and foster happiness. The ultimate aim of accumulating wealth is not to amass material possessions, but to use it as a tool to improve both your life and the lives of those around you. Prosperity is a vehicle that can help you experience greater joy, fulfillment, and connection with others when used thoughtfully and generously. When you see wealth as a tool for happiness, your relationship with money changes. It becomes a means to bring about positive changes, whether by improving your own well-being or contributing to the well-being of others. With financial freedom, you can invest in experiences that create lasting memories, provide opportunities for growth, and build relationships that nourish your soul. Wealth allows you to be more generous, whether through charity, supporting loved ones, or helping your community. Moreover, wealth can be used to create environments that foster connection and joy, whether it's through travel, leisure, or offering support in times of need. When used for good, money becomes a conduit for spreading love and positivity. It expands happiness not only for yourself, but for everyone you touch. In this way, wealth is not just about personal gain, it's about creating a ripple effect that spreads happiness. When you use wealth to serve others and contribute to shared joy, you open the door to true abundance, an abundance of love, connection, and shared happiness. Thank you so much for watching and diving into the 7 laws of abundance in the metaphysics of money with me today. I hope these insights have helped shift your perspective on wealth and abundance and inspired you to take action toward creating the life you desire. Remember, it's not just about money. It's about aligning your thoughts, intentions, and actions with the flow of prosperity. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What law resonated with you the most? Or maybe you've experienced abundance in a new way after learning these principles. Drop a comment below and share your experiences or any questions you have. I'm excited to engage with you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss out on more content like this. Keep embracing abundance and remember, you have the power to create the life you want. Until next time, stay positive, stay focused, and keep manifesting your dreams.